Hello everyone. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add the Marshall's gift card to your Apple Wallet in 2026. So first of all, not all the Marshall's gift cards can be added directly. Some of the Marshall's gift cards support wallet through their official system, but many still don't show a direct option. So in general, retail gift cards are not always supported directly in the Apple Wallet. So first you need to check if the card has the wallet option available. So you need to go to the Marshall's gift card section and check your balance. After entering your card details, simply look for this particular button. It is add to Apple Wallet. If you are able to find this particular option, you just have to do nothing but to just simply tap on it. After that, you will be landed on the next page where you just have to tap on the add button on the top right hand corner of the screen in order to save it to your Apple Wallet successfully. If you receive an e-gift card, you can use the email. You can open your gift card email on your iPhone, then tap the link in order to view the card. If supported, you will see this particular button again. So when you tap on it, you just have to confirm it and it will be added to your Apple Wallet. But if you don't see the wallet option, this is also normal because as I told you earlier, most of the Marshall's gift cards cannot be directly added. Instead, what you can do is you can take a screenshot of the barcode or you can keep the card in your email or app. You can still use it easily at the checkout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.